Today, we are reviewing Apollo.io and answering an important question for sales professionals, marketers, agencies, and business owners. Is Apollo.io still the best sales tool? Over the last few years, Apollo.io has become one of the most talked about platform in the sales and lead generation industry. Many businesses use it to find prospects, build outreach campaigns, manage leads, and automate parts of their sales process. At the same time, more competitors are entering the market. New prospecting tools, outreach platforms, and AI powered sales solutions are appearing every year. Because of that, many people are wondering whether Apollo.io is still one of the best options available. So in this video, we will look at its strengths, weaknesses, and who should actually use it. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get special offers on sales and lead generation software. By using the description link, discount will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about what Apollo.io is actually does. Apollo.io is an all-in-one sales intelligence and outreach platform. Instead of using separate tools for finding leads, managing contacts, and sending outreach campaigns, Apollo combines many of these functions inside one dashboard. The platform provides access to a large database of business contacts and companies. User can search for prospect based on job title, industry, company size, location, technology used, revenue estimate, and many other filters. For sales teams, this can save a significant amount of research time. One of Apollo's biggest strengths is prospecting. Finding the right decision makers is often one of the hardest parts of sales. Apollo makes this process much easier by allowing users to search through millions of business contacts using advanced filters. For example, you can search especially for marketing managers in software companies, agency owners in certain countries, or executive in business of a particular size. This level of targeting helps sales teams to focus on higher quality prospects. Another major feature is outreach automation. Apollo allows user to build email sequences, automate follow-ups, schedule communications, and track engagement. Instead of manually sending every email, users can create workflows that keep outreach organized and consistent. This can be especially useful for agencies, sales representatives, and lead generation teams. Apollo also includes the analytics and reporting. User can monitor open rates, replies, campaign performance, and prospect engagement. These insights help businesses to improve their outreach strategies over time. Another reason many people choose Apollo is value. Compared to some enterprise level sales intelligence platform, Apollo often provides a large set of features at a more accessible price point. For startups and growing businesses, this can make the platform very attractive. Now, let's talk about some limitation. Like any business database, Apollo contact information is not perfect. Some users occasionally encounter outdated email address, job changes, or incomplete records. This is a challenge that affects nearly every prospecting platform in the industry. Another big thing to consider is that Apollo includes many features. While this is generally a strength, but beginner may feel overwhelmed when first exploring the dashboard. Learning how to use prospecting, outreach, filters, sequences, and reporting tools effectively that can take some time. There is also increasing competition. Tools focused especially on cold email deliverability, data enrichment, or AI powered prospecting, they are becoming more common. Some businesses may prefer specialized platforms depending on their needs. However, Apollo's advantage is that it combines multiple sales functions in one system. Now, let's answer the most important question. Is Apollo.io still the best sales tools? For many businesses, Apollo remains one of the strongest all-in-one options available. If your goal is finding prospects, managing outreach, building email sequences, and keeping sales activity organized without paying for multiple separate tools, Apollo continues to offer a lot of value. It is especially useful for startups, agencies, B2B sales teams, consultants, and business owners who want a balance between functionality and affordability. While no platform is perfect, Apollo remains one of the most complete sales teams for businesses that want prospecting and outreach capabilities in a single solution. That's it basically for today's video. Hope this review helped you to understand what Apollo.io offers and whether it is still the right sales tool for your business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.